Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. Let's talk about Nvidia and the AI stocks because I think no one has missed it. Nvidia had incredible earnings, incredible outlook, and their stock is almost up 30% to an all-time high of 390. Now, this was also mainly driven by their AI forecast and how important that's going to be in the future for the company. Now, in the previous video, around 1 to 2 weeks ago, we already discussed three AI stocks that are hot at the moment, and let's see where they are at right now and what the new analysis is for them. So we're going to start off with AI. And we're going to go to the daily candles here. As you can see, last time we discussed it, it was at around $23, so it was already a very nice gain. So if you watched that video and you made some nice profit on that, congratulations to you. Now we're currently pre-market up 12.6% at around 31, which is kind of in the middle of the previous resistance at 34.68 and the close of yesterday. So easily, this is definitely a nice gap up, and we all gonna have to watch the 34.68 for the next couple of days in order to see if we will break that or not. It is, however, already a very nice break of the high of April and that high we had a couple of days ago. So it's going to be a great break. And as I explained in a previous video, we are also very careful with the stock. So please do watch if we are going to approach this level, maybe going to close a little lower, that we are going to get at some point a correction to either the 50 or the 20-day. And if that wouldn't hold the 200-day, which will be kind of similar to um, this support line, the support trend line. However, in the short term, it's all still looking very bullish. And with the break of the 34.68, I definitely watch a higher share price. Now, where could it go from that point on? Basically, there isn't much resistance at this stage anymore. The next level I would definitely watch would be around the 45 to 50s, which was the previous high, which was the high of November 2021. That's the zone it can go to, and it can consolidate on this level and maybe at some point go back again and find support at the 34s, 35s. But that's for later on. For now, it's all looking very bullish for this stock. So again, congrats if you watched the last video. Some great profits here. Now we're gonna continue to BBAI, the other stock we discussed, and we kind of drew this pattern. I chose to just keep the drawings intact of the analysis, and we broke it, then we recovered above, and as you can see, we were still struggling a little bit with the 20 and the 50-day. However, we are going to gap up to the 262 as it stands, so that's going to be above the 20 and the 50-day. So for BBAI, we are still going to watch this resistance level, which for today is going to be at around 270, 280. So we are going to break this level. And if we break that trend line, we are going to watch the high of May, which was at around around 325. So that's going to be the next level to watch for BBI. But as well, after the Nvidia earnings, this is also looking very bullish. And it seems like we have a good chance of breaking out of this flag over here. So keep in mind, BBAI also very positive. And yeah, it seems like the support has held nicely. Then the last one is Soundhound. Now, I really like this one. I remember last time when we watched it, we were here in the middle of May. We were about to either break to the upside or to the downside. Now, we did break to the upside, which is very nice. And our next resistance point is already very close. It's the high of April, and it's around $3.34. And as you can see, pre-market, we are at about that level. So ideally, we would open at around 330 and then break that level, and from there on the next resistance point is far away. It's at 450, 460. So even after the market open, there's still a good 25 to 30% gain in Soundhound. Again, this one also, if you bought here on the last video, congrats on those gains. And yeah, I mean, the whole AI sector is very hot right now. Again, I also do want to say that because it's extremely hot, be careful with buying aggressively now. Usually, when those stocks like this are in a hype, it might also at some point get a big correction. Now, the good thing is we already saw a big correction, for example, here with Soundhound, with BBAI, with AI. We had a big correction already, or for most stocks approximately a 50% decline, for some even more. So it's good that we are seeing a second run, which usually can go even higher, but still be careful. It's very, very, very volatile, and in the end, stocks usually tend to get back to their moving averages. And as they are all now, except for BBAI, they're all now kind of above it. I definitely say that in the long term, it might correct down again. But for now, it's looking very bullish, and Soundhound is about to break a big resistance point. AI is very close after open. It's only $3 away, and also BBAI. In my opinion, BBAI still has the most potential to the upside compared to AI and Soundhound on the next move. Now, if you like this video, if you want to see more content on these stocks, please subscribe, give a like, and also in the comments, please tell me if you want to see other stocks discussed. And I hope to see you all next video.